Hi everyone, welcome to this video lecture on Unit 5 Special Theory of Relativity Part 2. In this video lecture, I would like to explain the derivation of Galilean transformation equations. Transformation equations means the transformation of space and time coordinates from one inertial frame of reference to another inertial frame of reference. Consider two inertial frames of reference S and S dash, and let S be at rest and S dash be moving with a velocity v bar relative to S along positive x direction. Consider an event happening at P at any particular instant of time t. Let the coordinates of P with respect to S be x, y, z, t, and with respect to S dash be x dash, y dash, z dash, t dash. Let us choose the axis so that x and x dash are parallel to v bar and y and z dash be parallel to y and z axis respectively. Let us count the time from the instant at which the origins O and O dash coincide. In the diagram shown, S and S dash be the two inertial frames of reference with origins O and O dash respectively. Initially, the origins O and O dash coincide. S dash be moving with the velocity v bar along positive x direction. P is an event happening at any time t. During the time t, the frame S dash be moving a distance vt. From figure, we have x dash is equal to x minus vt. As there is no relative motion along y and z axis, we have y dash is equal to y and z dash is equal to z. Further, the time is independent of space coordinate system and hence t dash is equal to t. Thus, the four equations are x dash is equal to x minus vt, y dash is equal to y, z dash is equal to z, and t dash is equal to t. These equations are called Galilean transformation equations. In general case, let the frame S dash be moving along a straight line relative to S along any direction with a velocity v bar such that v bar is equal to I bar vx plus j bar vy plus k bar vz, where vx, vy and vz are the components of velocity v bar along x, y and z axis respectively. I bar, j bar and k bar are the unit vectors along the three coordinate axes respectively. Consider an event happening at P at any particular instant of time t. Suppose x, y, z, t and x dash, y dash, z dash, t dash be coordinates of P with respect to frames S and S dash respectively. Let us count the time from the instant at which the origins O and O dash coincide. The diagram shows S and S dash be two inertial frames with origins O and O dash respectively. At time t is equal to 0, the two origins coincide. The frame S dash be moving with the velocity v bar in any direction relative to frame S. P is an event happening at any time t. During the time t, the frame S dash is moving a distance vxt along x-axis and a distance vyt along y-axis and a distance vzt along z-axis with respect to frame S. From figure we have x dash is equal to x minus vxt, y dash is equal to y minus vyt, z dash is equal to z minus vzt, and t dash is equal to t. These equations are called Galilean transformation equations. The inverse Galilean transformation equations can be expressed as x is equal to x dash plus vxt, y is equal to y dash plus vyt, z is equal to z dash plus vzt, and t is equal to t dash. In this way, we can derive the Galilean transformation equations of space and time. I will explain the Michelson-Morley experiment and its negative result in the next video lecture. Thank you.